children. How do you do today? Are you happy? Today I'm going to make you happy. Children, after a long time we didn't sing. Then shall we sing? All right, I know you all love songs, no? Um, so please join with me. You know this song. You know this song, so you can easily sing with me, right? Then let's start. Shall we start, children? Okay. 1, 2, 3. The place so cool is my school. Sing, sing, dance and play. Read, read, write and sing. The place so cool is my school. Sing, sing, dance and play. Read, read, write and sing. Teachers love and care. Many friends are there. The place so cheerful is my school. Sing, sing, dance and play. Sing, sing, dance and play. All right, children, you sang nicely. Excellent. My dear children, did you see the huge tree near our grade 3 classes in our school? I think you have seen that huge tree, no? Big tree. There are a lot of boards hung on that tree. I think you have seen those boards also. Now we are going to see our huge tree in the school. This is page number 50. Listen and repeat. You can see the huge tree and also the boards hung on the tree. Right. These are actually good things, very good things to do. These are the good habits that a child as you can cultivate. Right? Let's see one by one. First, what are the good things you can do? There are a lot of good things in the tree here. What are the good things you can do? Okay, let's see one by one. First, let's read first. You must join with me. Let's read first. Come early. Clean the garden. Protect the environment. Protect the environment. Sweep the classroom. Sweep the classroom. Share books. Speak kind words. Obey teachers. Study well. Sing songs. Play games. Play games. And love your school. Love your school. Once again, let's try. Come early. Clean the garden. Protect the environment. Sweep the classroom. Share books. Share books. Obey teachers. Speak kind words. study well, sing songs, play games, love your school. All right. Here, let's see, come early. Yes, you know, going early is a good habit rather than going late. So you must come early to the school. No? Then clean the garden. Clean the garden. You must clean the school premises. No? When you go to school early morning, you must clean the school premises with the help of your friends. Then protect the environment. That means some people cut trees, but you must love the trees, love the environment, right? So you must protect the environment. We can water the plants, we can plant a seed, no? And there are a lot of ways to protect the environment, right? You know, there's a herbal garden also in our school, so we must look after the trees and plants very well in the school. Then sweep the classroom. There, I think you have a cleaning chart also in the school. So you must get the help of your friends and sweep, right? Because the teacher can't do everything in the classroom. You should keep the classroom nice and neat, right? Then speak kind words. Speak kind words. I know there are some children, they are so rude to their friends. There are some mischievous children in the classroom, and also they ill-treat their friends. So don't do such things. You must speak to your friend in kind words. Kind words. Karunavanta vachani. You have to respect the friends. You have to respect them. You have to say sorry. You have to say, please excuse me. When you are communicating, when you are talking with them. And share books. It's also a very good habit. Not only books, you have to share your pens, pencils, erasers, pupils' books, textbooks, sometimes even food, because there are a lot of friends. They miss these things sometimes. No? It is your responsibility. In a way, it's your responsibility to share with your friends in the classroom, and you must be with the unity in the classroom, right? Then you have to study well. Study well. Right. You must do your homework. You have to listen to your teacher very well. And you have to study your work. You have to be with the work every time. Study well. And here sing songs. There are a lot of opportunities in the school, no? You have the assemblies, and in the classroom also you get chances to sing, dance, and read the lessons and act out also sometimes. So you must sing songs and be happy every time. You must build up a balanced personality in the classroom. පන්ති කාමරේ හොඳ සමබරව හැමදේම අපි කරගන්න ඕනේ. Education means everything, no? ඉගෙන ගන්නවා කියන්නේ හැම දෙයක්ම. පොතේ ලියන පොත්පත්වල දැනුම විතරක් නෙමෙයි. It's not only the book knowledge. You must sing and be happy in the classroom. Then you can play games. Play games. There's a nice playground in the school and you have lot of free times during the interval also you can play and you can enjoy with your friends. You can share the others' ideas when you play. And this one also very important, obey teachers. You must listen every time to the teacher, not only your class teacher, but also all the teachers in the school. You must respect them. You must respect and you must listen to their advisors. Always try to be a good child. And also, you must love to your school. You must love your school. If you do all these things, you will be a balanced child. So you can automatically love to your school. Our school is the heaven in our lives. So love your school. It is the message here, right? All right. Here in Pupils book page 49. Children, there's a poem. See, this is the same lines we sang as a song. We sang it as a song earlier. No? But actually this is a poem. So we must recite. Recite කියන්නේ පුතේ හඬ නගා කියනවා. නැත්නම් ගායනා කරනවට තමයි. Okay. First, let's read the lines. Children, we are going to read the lines now. Right. You must follow me. The place so cool is my school. Sing, dance, and play. Read, write, and say. Teachers love and care. Many friends are there. The place so cheerful is my school. Right? Now I think you can read very well because you heard this several times. Now I will recite. You also recite with me. Let's start. Right. The place so cool is my school. Sing, dance and play. Read, write and say. Teachers love and care. Many friends are there. The place so cheerful is my school. Shall we try once again? The place so cool is my school. Sing, dance and play. Read, write and say. Teachers love and care. Many friends are there. The place so cheerful is my school. All right. You did it well. Now it's our workbook practice time. Let's try out. Now you're in your workbook, page 49. Page 49. Right. Let's see. Here, there's a question. Let's see. What do you do? What do you do in the school? Right, you can see Nisal. Nisal says, I clean the garden. I clean the garden. Now you have to, in the same way, you have to draw yourself. Draw yourself. You must write your name here. You must write your name in this blank, right? And you have to draw yourself. Now I'm going to draw here. I'm going to put a picture here in this way. You also must draw yourself nicely like this. Right. And here you have to write something you really do in the school. You really do in the school. I like to speak kind words in the school. So I put it here. I like to speak kind words. So I write here, I speak kind words. I speak kind words. Right. I speak kind words. In this way, you think the things really you do in the school. Now you saw a lot of boards hung on the tree there, huge tree. You select one you like and write it here and draw yourself and write your name. Write your name. Let's see down here. Read the instructions first. Draw your school and color. You have to draw your school and color. Now our unit is over, my school. So you must draw your school. You really draw your school. You have to draw the school nicely as you feel about your school. Now I'm going to put my dream school. I'm going to put my dream school here. See? Right. This is my school. So nice, no? In this way, you also draw your school in nice way, right? And color it nicely. Color it nicely. All right, all right. I hope you will do your work very well. My dear children, I am so happy today. Do you know the secret behind it? By now, we have successfully completed Unit 3 also. Our next unit is Unit 4, that is My Food Bag. We will meet once again with My Food Bag. Till then, have a fun day.